The world of fitness can be a vast and intimidating landscape, especially for women. With countless workout styles, fitness celebrities, and conflicting information, finding the right resources to support your health and wellness goals can feel overwhelming. Here's where fitness channels for women come in, a powerful resource to empower you on your unique fitness journey. This guide, Fitness Channels for Women, dives deep into the world of women-centric fitness channels on YouTube, exploring their benefits, how to find the perfect fitness channels for women, and showcasing some of the top channels that cater to diverse fitness goals and preferences. Why choose fitness channels for women? There are numerous advantages to choosing fitness channels for women. Tailored workouts. These fitness channels for women often cater to the specific needs and physical considerations of women, offering modifications and exercise progressions suitable for various fitness levels. Expert guidance. Many fitness channels for women are led by certified female trainers and fitness professionals who understand the unique challenges and goals women face in their fitness journeys. Community and support. You'll discover fitness channels for women that foster a sense of community, where women can connect, share experiences, motivate each other, and celebrate their achievements. Diversity and flexibility. Fitness channels offer a vast array of workout styles, from high-intensity interval training or HIIT, and strength training to yoga, Pilates, and bodyweight exercises. This empowers you to find activities you enjoy and create a workout routine you can stick to in the long run. Free and accessible. Most fitness channels are readily available on YouTube, providing free access to a wealth of workout routines and fitness information. Finding the perfect fitness channel for you. With so many fitness channels for women available, how do you find the perfect fit for your needs and goals? Here are some tips. Identify your goals. What are you hoping to achieve with your fitness journey? Are you aiming for weight loss, muscle building, improved strength and endurance, or simply a way to move your body and feel good? Consider your fitness level. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or advanced exerciser? Choose a channel that offers workouts tailored to your current fitness level to avoid injury and maximize results. Explore different styles. Do you enjoy high-energy dance workouts, prefer the calmness of yoga, or are you looking for a more structured strength training routine? Experiment with different styles to discover what you find most engaging. Check instructor credentials. Look for channels led by certified trainers or fitness professionals with a proven track record. Their expertise ensures safe and effective exercise techniques. Community matters. Some channels have thriving online communities where women can interact, motivate each other, and share their progress. This can be a valuable source of support and encouragement. Top fitness channels for women. Now let's explore some of the top fitness channels for women, categorized by their unique focus and workout styles. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, and cardio workouts are fantastic ways to get your heart pumping and burn calories efficiently. Let's take a look at some top channels offering these high-energy routines. MadFit, hosted by Maddie Limburger, offers a wide variety of HIIT and cardio workouts, ranging from beginner to advanced levels. The channel is known for its fun and engaging routines that get your heart rate up and your body moving. Chloe Ting's channel provides free workout programs specifically designed for women looking to burn fat and build muscle. Her HIIT and cardio routines are highly effective and require minimal equipment, making them perfect for home workouts. Kelly and Daniel Saganowicz, the husband and wife duo behind Fitness Blender, offer a diverse collection of HIIT and cardio workouts with clear instructions and modifications suitable for various fitness levels. Strength training and muscle building are essential components of a well-rounded fitness routine. Here are some standout channels that focus on these areas. Known for her sculpted physique and effective workout routines, Pamela Reif focuses on bodyweight and dumbbell strength training exercises that target different muscle groups. Her channel is perfect for women looking to build muscle and improve overall strength. Created by Kelly Knight, Strong Curves uses barbells and dumbbells to offer a comprehensive approach to building muscle and strength for women. The channel features workout programs with clear progressions, helping women get started with weight training and achieve their fitness goals. Megan Grubb's channel, Meg Squats, focuses on strength training with a powerlifting and bodybuilding influence. Meg Squats provides effective workout routines, form tips, and motivational content for women who want to get serious about building muscle. Yoga and Pilates are excellent for improving flexibility, balance, and mental well-being. Let's explore some top channels that specialize in these practices. Adrienne Mischler's Yoga with Adrienne channel offers a calming and approachable introduction to yoga. Her videos cater to all levels, from complete beginners to experienced yogis. Alo Moves features a vast library of yoga, Pilates, barre, and meditation classes led by renowned instructors. Alo Moves offers a subscription-based service with a free trial, allowing you to explore various styles and find the perfect class for your needs. This channel, run by Catherine offers a unique blend of yoga, meditation, and mindfulness practices. Yoga Tex provides a supportive community and encourages self-discovery through movement and breath work. Dance Fitness. The Fitness Marshall, created by Caleb Marshall. The Fitness Marshall channel offers high-energy dance fitness workouts that incorporate popular music and choreography. These routines are a fun and effective way to burn calories and get your heart pumping. Zumba. The official Zumba channel features a variety of Zumba instructors leading energetic dance fitness routines. With its focus on Latin rhythms and easy-to-follow moves, Zumba is a fun and engaging way to stay active. Dance Cardio with Melissa. Melissa Bender's channel offers a diverse collection of dance cardio workouts, combining classic and contemporary dance styles with high-intensity cardio bursts. These routines are perfect for anyone who enjoys moving to the music. Bodyweight workouts and functional fitness. Cassie Ho's Blodulates channel offers a wide range of bodyweight and low-impact workouts that are perfect for beginners or those looking for low-impact exercise options. The channel also features Pilates-inspired routines and challenges to keep things interesting. Pop Sugar Fitness. This channel provides a diverse mix of bodyweight workouts, strength training routines, and HIIT exercises. Pop Sugar Fitness caters to various fitness levels and offers challenges and workout series to keep you motivated. Fitness Blender. Kelly and Daniel also offer a great selection of bodyweight and functional fitness workouts that can be done at home with minimal equipment. These routines focus on exercises that translate into everyday life, improving your strength and overall fitness. Beyond the Workout, your holistic wellness journey fitness channels. For women often go beyond just physical exercise. Many incorporate healthy eating tips, stress management techniques, and self-care practices into their content, promoting a holistic approach to wellness. Here are some examples. Sarah's Day. Sarah Stevenson's channel focuses on healthy living, combining fitness routines with meal prep tips, recipes, and a positive approach to healthy eating. Yoga with Adrienne. Adrienne's calming and mindful approach to yoga extends beyond the physical practice. Her videos often incorporate elements of mindfulness and self-care, fostering mental and emotional well-being in addition to physical fitness. Blodulates Cassie Ho frequently shares healthy eating tips and recipes alongside her workout routines, encouraging a balanced approach to health and fitness. Conclusion. Fitness channels for women are a game changer, providing a wealth of resources to empower you on your unique health and wellness journey. With so many diverse channels available, you're sure to find something that suits your needs, preferences, and fitness goals. Remember, consistency and a personalized approach are key to achieving success. Explore different channels, find the workouts you enjoy, and most importantly, have fun while moving your body.